Hey guys, it's Scott Anderson here, and in this video I'm going to share with you a brand new affiliate marketing program that just came out and it's really heating up. So you definitely want to know about it. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this program is called the Six Figure Partner Program. It is a copy and paste program that started right here in 2019. It's going to be booming here in the fourth quarter and into 2020. What is it? Joshua Elder is the founder. He creates these awesome YouTube videos and he has an incredible training and program. And essentially you're able to take those videos and copy and paste them, put them on your own YouTube channel. It's an absolute genius idea and there's lots of results. In fact, here are some results from just yesterday and the day before. It's incredible. And I'm gonna turn the time over to Joshua, which is how this program works. And you will learn from him to see the results in the last week. Literally, they've generated over $20,000 revenue. Maybe it's profit, I'm not sure. I think it's profit just from this program in 1 week. So guys, I'm gonna turn the time over to Joshua and I'll get back to you.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And it's been about a week since I've launched the brand new six-figure partner program. And in this video, I wanna show you exactly what my students have been able to accomplish up to this point. I know it inspires a lot of you guys. I know, for the past few years that I've had this channel, I've showed a lot of my results. You guys know that, I know how to make money online. That's plain and simple, but do I know how to teach other people how to do it? And that's really the key. You, somebody that's watching that may be skeptical, can you actually build wealth on the internet? And a lot of you guys have bought things in the past. You've struggled. You've gotten overwhelmed with so many different gurus. You don't know who to listen to. And, I want to provide some social proof for you that, I'm somebody, which is rare to find in the industry, that can actually genuinely help you make money online. So I want to continue with these social proof videos. That's why I'm doing them, is because there is a lot of garbage out there. There are a lot of people that, say that they are mentors, that they are coaches, but they've made very little to nothing online, and they're really not, certified in a way where they have that social proof. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump to my computer. I'm gonna show you guys the results. Super excited for this. We got about 25 people that have generated a commission with us. So here is a list of everybody that has made a commission from us. I'm sure they wouldn't mind me sharing their names here. Obviously you can find them on social media, so they are legitimate individuals. But nonetheless, let's just start up here at the top. You can see Paulo Berengel, $1,937 with us. Karen Marrow, $2,469. Mitch, $175. Jonathan, $1,248. Chris, $35. Victor, over $1,500. Muriel, $1,400. Scott, Sergio, and Jean-Claude, $7 each. Fraser, $3,250. This is actually George, $1,500. It looks like he made this account under, looks like it might have been his wife or his mother or somebody like that. But George Wickens, $1,500. Toki, $1,250. Jody, $1,250. So a lot of people, 4 figures already. Sarah, $1,250. Jerome, $1,250. Marissa, $1,250. Paula, $1,128. Nicholas, $105. Mervin, $105. Nate, $21. Audie, $21. Randy, $21. Nicholas, $14. And then we have a few $7. Evan, Jose, and David. So this is about roughly 25, 26 people that have generated a commission with us. And this is due to the training and what we teach inside of the six-figure partner program. So obviously you see the proof is in the pudding. The people that are getting results are the same people that are, putting the training into action. You see, we've got module after module showing you exactly what to do. Module 1 obviously covers this foundation of setting up your business, getting all your funnels set up, all your assets set up. And then module 2 is dedicated to helping you, create your YouTube channel and then deploy my content on your YouTube channel and start generating traffic, leads, and sales using and leveraging my authority and my content. You do not have to create any of your own videos if you don't want to. What we want to do, what we want to accomplish here at the Six Figure Partner Program is number one, we want to fish for you. In other words, we want to help you get those first wins, those first results, to show you that making money online works, that it's real, to help you give the confidence to yourself, to get to the point where you can eventually fish for yourself, to where you can eventually be confident enough to get on video, knowing that you believe in the program, that you can go out there and speak a message and start generating your, sales yourself. So if this is something that you're interested in, you want to get access to the Six Figure Partner Program, you want to learn more about it, go ahead, click the link below. There will be more details on how you can get started. You'll be able to speak with one of our certified coaches. Now, I genuinely hope that seeing the results of my past students motivates you and inspires you to show you that you too can do this. So if you want to know more information, go ahead, click the link below, and we will see you on the other side.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked that video. If you are interested in the Six Figure Partner Program, there is a link below where you can sign up or register to see if you're a good fit for this program. Also, I will leave another link below that you can message me directly on Facebook Messenger. Just check out the description below if you have any specific questions. So, guys, thanks for hanging in there. Have an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video.